Welcome back to CodeChef. What if you need a tiny function for a quick one-time calculation? Python has a powerful and elegant solution called a Lambda function. Today, we'll demystify these small, anonymous functions and show you how they can simplify your code. The best way to think about a Lambda is by comparing it to a recipe. A regular function is like a full recipe in a cookbook. It has a name, a list of ingredients, and multiple steps to follow. A Lambda is like a quick one-line kitchen hack. It has no name, just a single, simple instruction that gives you an immediate result. You use a quick hack for a tiny task, just like you use a Lambda for a simple calculation. In this tutorial, you will learn these key concepts: the Lambda keyword, how to create a function on a single line, the structure of a Lambda function, how to use a Lambda for simple calculations. A Lambda function is a small, anonymous function. We define it using the Lambda keyword. The basic structure is Lambda arguments : expression. The arguments are the inputs, and the expression is the single calculation it will perform. You can have many arguments, but only one expression. Let's write a simple function that adds two numbers. Here's what we already know using def keyword for this. Now, let's write the exact same function using Lambda. We can assign it to a variable, then call it just like a regular function. As you can see, we get the exact same result with just one line of code. Lambdas are powerful for one-time tasks without a name. For example, we can pass a Lambda directly into another function to apply an operation. Here we have a powerful function called apply operation. It takes two numbers, x and y, and a third argument, op, which is an operation. On the next line, we call apply operation with the numbers 10 and 5, and we pass a Lambda function directly as our op. This Lambda function tells the code to multiply its inputs. So, 10 times 5 is 50. The print statement then displays our final result. We can see the function correctly applied our multiplication operation, proving just how useful these anonymous functions can be. Here's a quick practice question using a Lambda function. This single line of code checks if a number is even or not. Let's trace it. The input of 56 is assigned to x. The Lambda function then calculates 56 modulo 2. Since 56 divided by 2 has no remainder, the result is 0. The expression 0 equals 0 is true. So the function returns and the code prints true. Let's quickly recap. A Lambda is a small, one-line function. We use the Lambda keyword. It can have multiple arguments, but only one expression. Lambdas are perfect when you need a quick, simple function. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.